So, Sally zusammen, herzlich willkommen zum 12. Teil. Ich muss schnell schauen. Nein, zum 13. Teil. Tatsächlich schon im letzten Video habe ich gesagt, zum 11. Teil. Es wäre aber der 12. gewesen. Ja, ich habe es nicht mehr so im Überblick. Ja, über eine Woche habe ich zum Voraus aufgeladen und geplante Uploads gemacht. Von dem her, ja. So. Boah. Machen wir. T, C, C, T, T. Wir gehen zum Wohnen, weil ich will einfach dort rein können, ohne eine Mission zu starten. Trevor. So, da bin ich ans Eck geschossen. So, mal schauen, was die von uns wollen. Hey, komm. Ja, Achtung, was hat er an?
What's going on, Ron?
They were here for you. Here for you.
Who was here?
Them bikers. After you killed Johnny K.
And they damage my stuff, huh? They smash up my home, damage my soul. This statue here of impotent rage, this fucking meant more to me than Johnny K meant to anyone, and they smashed it. Those pathetic midlife crisis, hog-riding, shaven-headed, fruity leather, chapped-wearing fucking assholes.
They're assholes, Trevor. They are. They're chapped-wearing assholes.
Wait, you little shit. Whoa. Hey, Michael fucking Townley, right? Bitch wife, 2 kids, 45. Find them.
Los Santos is a big place, Trevor. There's lots of people.
You are fucking useless. Huh? Find out who did that fucking robbery, all right? And if Michael Townley lives there, or anyone matching his description, I'm gonna kill you and your fucking cousin. Am I being clear now?
Yes, Trevor.
Thank you. Wait. Now smile. Yeah, right? That's better. Run along. Ron, shall we go? I cannot believe that they fucking destroyed my statue of impotent rage. The cheek! Huh? The fucking cheek of it. I gotta swing by ammunition. Go to Sandy Shores Airfield. Check it out.
Also. Hochregel. Jetzt sind wir zwar... Echt sind wir dort zwar schon gewesen, aber...
I need a sniper rifle with a high-power scope. They say they support local business. Well, we're about to find out if that's true. Melvin! How you feel about brand synergy, huh? TP Industries. Ammunition. Good, because you're about to make a corporate gift of a rifle, a high-powered scope, and a suppressor.
Take whatever you want, Trevor. I can't afford another fire.
That sniper on your wall looks like it'll do the job.
Ja, nicht schlecht.
That's the chestnut. Now I need a scope and a suppressor.
Oh, ein bisschen Munition und bezahlt ja. Ha! Das Cletus, der Cape. Werden wir den auch noch kennen, hure Spinn sich. Ah, die Mission schießt mich aber an. Egal, so. Ronald McDonald.
Run! I got the gun. Meet me at the water tower just north of the airfield.
Roger that, Trevor. But you gotta look out, because there's bikers all over this airstrip.
Of course there are! 2 planes are touching down at the field on a weapons run. We're gonna wait till the right time and appropriate them.
We are?
Yes, we are.
I'm up here. I don't see the hardware. But I do see a hell of a lot of bikers.
Hardware's not here yet. I'm coming up.
You get a better view from the top.
Ja, das ist mir auch bewusst, dann kann ich ja da rauf. Also jetzt haben wir den ganzen Tag hier gewartet.
The time is right. Go on, my son. Whenever you get a doubt in your mind, I want you to remember that I'm watching you through the scope of a high-powered rifle.
Right, Trevor. Right. Now, relax.
The ATV can only take you so far. Park it and don't let them spot you.
Can you see me, Trevor? Over by the road.
You wouldn't believe this, Ron. One of these assholes is having a seizure or something.
That's me! That's me! Don't shoot!
The Trevor. Oh,
Get a
das.
move on.
I'm moving! Just keep me covered, okay?
Ui, Moment, schnell, bin wieder da. So, da bin ich wieder. Wird schnell schnitzen.
The bottom of those steps.
Ja, ich sehe ihn. Tschüss.
Kill, Trevor.
Hurry it up, Ronnie.
Sollte einer kommen? Ist jetzt ein Schocki.
Shit! I hear an engine! They're gonna see that guy you shot! Maybe if you shoot those lights on the tower, he won't be so obvious! Wrong light! The one's under the tower!
There's one, and there's the other.
You got him! Now don't shoot the guy in the
What?
van until he stops and gets out!
Kein Problem. Mit mir super Zielknopf da.
Hold fire! We gotta see what he's up to! I think he's just calling the dead guy. You can erase him now! He's out of the van now! Do him!
If the man wants to pay his...
You should have seen the look on his face! There's a guy coming out of the control tower. Take him out!
So long, sailor.
Oh no! Bottom of the tower. Another guy's on his
Fuck.
way. He's down there, amongst the bodies. Clean shot,
Ooh.
Trev.
Look.
Another guy's coming out of the tower. Must be looking for the one you shot. He found him! Take him out, or he'll trip the alarm!
Was?
Down he
Okay.
goes.
Can you get your sights back on me? Come on, man!
I got you in my sights, so get a move on and plant that bomb on the gas tank.
I can't! There's someone coming out of that building! I can hear him at that far door!
Der nimmt. Da sollte er rauskommen.
Shit! He's coming out the far door!
Nicht daneben schießen.
There's a second guy coming out of the building! Good kill, Trevor!
Gut, die sind fort. Ein paar haben wir noch schon umgehettet von denen.
I'm fitting it! Just keep a lookout! And watch out for the tank! It'll go up if you hit it! Someone's
wollte
coming!
sagen.
He's gonna get me before I finish! He knows I'm here! This is it! He clocked me! A bolt from the blue! Can you hear that? Chopper! Incoming!
Always hated that chopper. Just fucking...
Zack, der ist spotted. Hahaha. Gut, das haben wir doch super gemacht. So, der Krieg ist aufgeflogen, jetzt wird voll Krischi angegriffen.
The pilot plant didn't work, but they know they're being attacked!
So, jetzt brauche ich meine Spezialfähigkeit. Zack und weg mit diesen huren Krüppeln. Gut. Alles abgeräumt, saubere Sache. Ist das der Ronald McDonald? Achtung, Propeller.
Please load up with crates, Trevor! Just like you said!
Rest of the guns must be on the plane. Down the end of the runway.
Ja, machen wir es so, das ist auch nicht schlecht. So. Jetzt habe ich ein bisschen den Faden verloren, was das Schnurren angeht. Entschuldigung. Aber jetzt sollte es wieder gehen. Oh, der Sieg ist in die Luft geflogen. Der ist verreckt. Ui.
Get me to that plane.
Ah, das ist das. Ja,
Get me
jetzt.
to my plane, Ron.
Ah, habe noch ein paar gegeben. schnell geile Fähigkeiten. So der dahinter, schießt zusammen. Verreckt, wie viel Schaden das Teil macht, wenn die Fähigkeit aktiviert ist. Du, aber es geht so langsam schon. Endlich. Zeig, Anton. Ah, verreckt. Back.
There's a biker on your wing, Trevor.
I am aware of this.
Well, you gotta get him off. Do a roll or something.
While the man on my wing presents no immediate danger, I'll do my best to oblige you.
He ain't letting go, is he?
Hey, lass das sich dran.
You set up
Ah.
a buyer for these guns already? I thought we
Er ist von selber runtergefallen.
thing with the statue.
If you'd read our latest shareholder report, Ron, you'd know TP Enterprises has been exploring a takeover of some lost MC business in the armaments and narcotics sectors for some time. And that kind of requires someone to purchase our guns.
Right, of course. But Johnny K and the figurine?
Recent events, my impending departure included, have only expedited things.
Trevor Phillips Enterprises is a far superior organization to the Lost Leather Club.
Well, we hope we improve revenue streams, cut overheads, and maximize profit, all that.
I wouldn't expect anything less.
For one thing, we won't be paying a bunch of idiots to stand around in cowhide sniffing engine fumes.
It's important work you're doing out here. God knows, we need a sharp mind running things. I am blessed to be a part of it. I see a signal. You think that's your guy?
It better be. Drop your load.
Wow.
Military base coming up.
Entschuldigung.
We don't want to show on their radar.
Ja, weißt du, er sagt mir so ein Teufel, was macht er? Schreisst noch gerade aussuchen. Jetzt. Renn, komm ab dort. Gott verdammt. So. Weißt du, hier haben sie dann eine Bombe hallo? Ah, R-Taste.
They got the packages.
Shipment successfully delivered, Ron. Now remember, if you beat me to the airstrip, I'll butcher your carcass and wrap you in cheesecloth.
Hä? Also, das Rennen gegen Ronald McDonald.
We're gonna make some coin from that hardware, boss.
Das schaffen wir schon. Ich nehme echt die direkte Linie. Der Ron wird nicht die nein, nimm doch die direkte Linie.
Everything that's coming to him.
A vast criminal conspiracy like the Lost MC shouldn't let a goon like Johnny K represent them.
He was a man past his prime. I heard he used to be serious.
Few hard stamps to the head knocked the seriousness right out of him.
Sure did. But before that, I mean, back in Alderney.
Man was weak for Crystal, weak for Ashley, man was weak. Shouldn't have spoken to me like that.
He shouldn't have. He was a fool. And you corrected him.
He'll not do that again.
Ja, kann er auch nicht. Nämlich dort.
Boss. So the guns are going to
Ja,
Mexico.
was ist der Ron für nicht pfeifen? Der Cape fliegt nicht mal die direkte Luft rein, er fliegt echt am Fluss nach. Oh,
If there's a
okay.
market, this could be a way to expand the business.
Like I hadn't thought of that. We might be able to buy into Oscar's thing, but leave that to me, Ron.
I'm sorry to ask this, but does your contact pay well for this kind of shipment? Because I've got those lawyer fees for the divorce and my settlement costs.
Oh, he pays. Better than any in this sorry country.
That's good to hear.
Gut,
We'll
Fahrwerk
talk about the
ausfahren.
exact split when we're grounded, okay?
All right, T.
Verlangsamen. Nase ziehen. Nochmal verlangsamen, Nase ziehen, nochmal verlangsamen. Nochmal verlangsamen und... Landet.
One, you're the better man, as if there was any doubt.
I I think that was adequate restitution for my impotent rage statue.
That was a mighty fine statue, Trev.
That was a mighty fine piece of plastic shit. But there is no price for emotional attachment. I mean, you might forego your cut to alleviate my heartache.
I might? Yeah, I mean, I will. Good idea.
Don't have time to dwell on that now, because we got more runs, Ron. If there is one thing that they need south of that big fence, it is guns.
Trevor Phillips Industries! Technical expertise, managerial innovations, unstoppable!
Oh, that's right. Now go. I need to meditate. Or masturbate. Or both.
Nein. Verschiedene Immobilien in San Andreas gekauft. Und das ist geil. Andere Immobilien, 3 Garagen, für Autos, keine Ordnung benutzt werden, eine riesige Auswahl an Fahrzeugen zu sprechen. Das stimmt nicht, das kann man nur Zeichen tun. Der Hangar kaufen. Also 62 Riesen hat es gar nicht schlecht. Und was kostet der Hangar? Sicher mehr als 62. 150, ja, das längt nicht. Aber dann nehmen wir es gleich. Oh, ich liebe geil, vor allem es ist eine ohne Abdeckung, das ist so richtig selten. Und die werden dann nach einem Zufallsprinzip generiert, die Autos, so wenn man sie kauft. Und ich habe das grosse Glück gehabt, online, dass ich beim ersten Versuch einen verwünscht habe, der keine Abdeckung vor drauf hat. Nur das Chassis, nur die geschweissten Rohre. In einer Kiste oder Fahrt, besser gesagt. Ja, verreckte Sachen. So, ja, das war es schön gewesen mit diesem Teil. Ich hoffe, es hat euch gefallen. Könnt es wieder gerne bewerten. Und in dem Fall sehen wir uns beim nächsten Mal wieder. Es heisst Let's Play GTA 5 Story Mode. Bis dann wünsche ich euch eine Zeit und Sally zusammen.